D-A-T-H-S-S-E-Y-D-H-E. Let me be the one to break a shake to break all of your fleet, no matter whatever. There ain't gonna be no trouble, gonna take no hustle. Taking on it just like a drizzle, showing on the muscle. For I got the guts to pull the trigger, let the glove smack, then heal some bam bam. Better get there, go quickly hide your back. I'm prepared to struggle, ready to rumble, whatever, whenever when you wanna. I'ma get you, no retreating, no surrender. I'ma really gonna piece you nail.
You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back in its track. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back here to take you up. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back in its track. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back here to smack you up.
Now people lend your ears, hey folks, listen up. Southwest is here in your front.
Hey, what's up?
Ain't no need to ask for my ASL, yo, cause I'm living in Gusa in the city of CDO. Give away for a show, come on, we're ready to go. We got a minute to roll and bustin' and dropping the floor. Listen to my rap, that is not so fast, but I will make sure it will shake your damn ass. We singing, rhyming, drumming, romping, start to stomp your feet and your pips are going crazy. There goes some farming, cause the roof is flaming. With our microphone we make the floor trembling. Gonna catch my breath before we keep going. Playing some rock while my tongue is tangled and twisted. So I need some backup now, I need to step back now. I'm losing my breath, I'm gonna send myself out.
You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back in its track. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back here to take you up. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back in its track. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back here to smack you up. Now I'm back to attack. Now my name is the Mac. To corrupt, to adapt, straight it up, straight up. Now I'm back in the city, just not an ordinary. How I miss this city with a Southwest. I don't care who you are, I don't care you're a star, I don't care with your brand new car. You're just a human being, you call me no fighting, no percolating. Hey, hey, hey. Knowing me and this track, hurry up, no money, no honey. Doing this thing with my homie that's out with a B-O-N-E to the T-I-T. With Jameer and Scott, we do it at nasty. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back in its track. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back here to take you up. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back in its track. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back and to smack you up.
Now we're back in this track, Southwest is coming back. Big boy in the verse, I'm gonna tell you what it is. I'm gonna tell you what it is. The Southwest is coming back in this business. As they say, what goes around comes back around. What goes up must come down. Well, that's you.
Who?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Southwest to represent.
What?
Damn you.
Gonna be the one to torment your flesh, eradicate your soul with no limit to the summit. I'ma do it, let my lyrics sprinkle on it. All your critics better knock it, knock it, knock it, knock it, knock it.
You gotta step back.
Yo, Scott, you ready?
You gotta move back.
Ako na ba?
You gotta step back.
Yeah, 60 seconds, you're on.
Southwest is coming back and to take you
Okay.
up. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back in its track. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back here to take you up. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back in its track. You gotta step back, you gotta move back. Southwest is coming back here to smack you up.
1, 2. Di ko na malaman kung anong aking gagawin sa mga giderong tao na nakapaligid sa akin. Sa lahat na lang ng bagay ay lagi akong mali. Pero teka muna, wait a minute. Sandali, hindi naman ikaw ang batayan dito. At lalo hindi naman ikaw ang basihan dito. Kaya hilalalin mo muna kung sino ako bago mo tuluyang husgahan ang pagkatao ko. Kung ayaw mong hubutin ko yan dila mo, pues mag-ingat-ingat ka sa mga sinasabi mo. Baka matadyakan ko yung mukha mong napakasagwa. At nang matikman mo kung paano magalit ang isang dukha, wala akong paki. Kahit anak-anang mayaman, di ka naman si Superman para hindi tinatablan. Ano na lang kaya ang mangyayari sa mundo kung lahat na lang ng tao dito ay kagaya mo?